Who you with? Who the fuck you with?
Call her a fucking asshole.
Who the fuck am I speaking to right now? What's up, you big-titted hooker? What? Fucking provide the service, I'll provide the cash flow.
Is she a prostitute?
I don't know. What do you fucking, what's your prices? I'd rather fuck you over Janessa anyways.
Who are you talking to?
You what?
Native American and fucking assassin? What?
You fucking nasty bitch.
What's going on? Oh, she hung up.
Oh, she heard that.
Yeah, shit. Oh.